How to start a blog in Uganda and make money. Hi, welcome to our channel. I am Andrew from infantentrepreneur.com. Today we are looking at a very interesting topic, which is starting a blog in Uganda. A blog is an online website where people post articles on a regular basis. Starting a blog today may be what you have been waiting for to start earning money online. There are plenty of people here in Uganda who are currently earning money from their blogs. You too can if you start your own blog today. But before we start, there is a confession I want to make. I have been running the blog infantentrepreneur.com for years now. I started this blog without knowing much about blogging, but with the help of my mentor Jake Falconer, he taught me all that I currently know about blogging. Jake has a book that he wrote about blogging that is entitled, It Pays to Blog. It has all that one needs to start a blog. So if you don't want to face the challenges that many people face on their journey of blogging, get Jake's book. The link is in the description below. Now let's jump in on how to start a blog in Uganda. Starting a blog follows steps just like starting any business. And today we are looking at each step in detail. Step 1. Find a niche. The word niche means the topic your website will be based on. It is okay to blog about everything you want if that is what you want, but if you want success quickly, you need to specialize. The blogging world is too broad to write about everything in one blog. You need to specialize. Yes, there are bloggers that talk about everything, but if you want to grow faster as a blogger, you need to target specific people by getting a specific topic to focus your website on. By specializing, you get one niche and you stick to it and base your blog on it. There are so many niches that one can choose from, and they include the following: entertainment, sports, news, food recipes, relationships, and many more. You need to choose a niche that you are well conversant with and that you love, because as you are starting your blog, it will be boring at the start. That is why you need a topic that you love, so that when things are not going right at the start, your passion keeps you going. You also need to get a niche that is marketable. There are niches that are good as a passion but are not good for business. As a blogger, you need to plan for your future about how you will monetize your blog. So as you are getting your topic, you need to have it in mind too. How will I monetize your blog? Step 2. Get a domain. The second step in how to start a blog in Uganda is getting a domain. A domain is the address of your blog on the internet. Domains are got from domain sellers and they are unique for each website. In other words, each website has its own unique domain. So as you are starting your website, you need to get a domain. A good domain should be easy to understand and should be directly linked to your topic. For example, we at Infant Entrepreneur talk about business, entrepreneurship, investing and much more. Our domain infantentrepreneur.com is directly linked to our focus topic. Your domain needs to do the same. Domains come in two types: free domains and premium domains. Free domains have a mid-name of the company where you get them from. For example, infantentrepreneur.wordpress.com. Premium domains, on the other hand, have no mid-name. They are straightforward and they are easy to be remembered by people and for search engine optimization. So I recommend you get a premium version. The premium version of a domain. Step 3. Get a web host. A web host is a supercomputer that stores all your website files on its servers so it can be accessed by everyone in the world by just typing in your domain in the web browsers. There are many web hosts on the internet, but I recommend Bluehost. I host all of my websites on Bluehost and I love many things about this host, but some of things I find on Bluehost and not any other web host is a free domain. If you decide to host your website on Bluehost, it pays for your domain name. You don't have to incur double the costs of registering a domain name and also paying a web host to host your website. The blog needs to be hosted by a server that will keep it online. There are millions of hosts on the internet, and we too here in Uganda have hosts that can host your blog and keep it online. But today I want to recommend the host I have used for years and it is still reliable. This host is Bluehost. Bluehost is the best host that you need as a beginner. They offer services just like many other hosts, but they have some services that you can't find anywhere else. Best services offered by Bluehost include customer care services. Bluehost has the best customer care you will get from webhost. They are always online 24/7 and anytime you need them, you can get in touch with them. Cheap price. At just $2.95 per month you can have your blog running in no time. That is the power of Bluehost. Free domain. With Bluehost, you don't have to pay for domain name registration. You get a free domain name with Bluehost. I have left a link in the description below about Bluehost. Get a free premium domain today and start your successful blog in Uganda. Step 4. Get a theme. After getting a host and installing WordPress on your website, the next step on how to start a blog in Uganda and actually make money for beginners is getting a theme to build on your website. With Bluehost, they do the website installation for you. All you have to do is select the platform you want, but here we are going for WordPress and it will install the website for you. A theme is just like a cloth, it gives your website a shape and appearance. There are two types of themes on WordPress. Free themes, premium themes. Free themes are given for free and you don't need to pay any coin for them. For the premium theme, you need to pay money to get it. Basically, as a beginner, a free WordPress theme is all you need for the start, and as you grow and want more customization, you can purchase a premium theme. Premium themes are good if you want to customize your website and make it what you want it to be. Free themes don't come with this allowance, so if you need to customize your theme, you need a premium theme. There are plenty of premium themes on the market that you can buy according to your website type. Step 5. Monetize your blog. Last but not least is making money off your blog. Not all blogs are started with the sole purpose of making money, but most blogs are started with the purpose of making money, and if you too want to make money on your blog, here are the tips how. You can make money from your blog by using ads or advertisements. There are many companies that supply ads on the internet, but the most common companies are Google AdSense, MGID, Taboola and many more. Ads pay according to your traffic, number of people visiting your website. The more people, the more they earn. Affiliate marketing. Affiliates refer to other people's products and services. As an affiliate, you don't need to have a product of your own to make money online. You just need to refer other people's products on your website and you get money for every purchase by a person referred by your link. You need to first register with the company or website that you want to promote, and then every time you refer someone and they make a purchase, you get a commission off the money paid by the client you have referred. Online store. Some people make money off their blogs by selling their own products directly on their websites. This is what we call an online store business. You put your business online and you sell to your customers and anyone that comes to your website. You can make plenty of money using this method because no one deducts the money you make. All the money you make is yours to keep. Those are the ways how you can make more EY on your blog. But one thing to remember, making money online is not a single day event. It takes time, patience and a lot of practice. But please don't give up if you don't make money off your blog at first. It took us months to get our first paycheck off this website, but we are still adjusting in order to make more money. That's all that is required to start a blog and make money in Uganda. Please share this video with anyone you know will benefit from it. Thank you and stay blessed.